This is Ian Lamont, author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, and today I'm going to show you how to use one of the most underrated features in Google Docs, comments. If this video helps, please subscribe and like the video. Let's get started. So we're looking at this kind of academic Google Doc that I've created, and I want to add some comments. Some are for myself, some are for the people that I'm collaborating with. The great thing about comments, if you're collaborating with other people, when you create a comment, they'll see it. They'll get a notification about it, and then they can decide whether they want to respond to it or to mark it as resolved or delete it or whatever. So let's say that I'm going to highlight this particular text right here. To make a comment about it, I could just use this little kind of this pop-up that appears, says add comment. I could also go to the comment tool in the toolbar, or I could go to insert comment, does the same thing. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, spelling problems here. And then I'm going to click comment. And other people will see a notification about this, which is great. So what I can do is I can add another comment, okay? Let's say that this one. I'm going to add a comment. Spelling. So the person will note it. And then maybe I want to do something like here. Add a comment, and let's update this together when you have a chance. So anybody else I'm collaborating with will see these notes. Of course, I can just leave the notes to myself, okay? And then once I'm going, later on if I'm going through them and I want to either to respond to the comment or mark it as resolved, what I can do, if I just click on it, I can say, I see two problems. Then click reply. If this one, let's say that I make the correction to difficult spelling, if I just use this check mark here, that'll mark the comment as resolved, it will disappear, and so on and so forth. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and subscribe. I have links to more resources in the description. Thank you so much for watching.